Alright, so for surface area of triangular prisms, we're going to find all the areas. This one down here is a 4 by 4, which is what? 16. This one down here is a 3 by 4, which is 12. Now let's get to the tricky part, right? We have two triangles that are the same measure. This is a right angle here and here. Good to know. So on this one, base is 3, height is 4, and then you got to divide by 2. 3 times 4 divide 2. So each one of those is 6. Now if you add all those up, you get the surface area. That's one way to do it. Formula for surface area then, and I'll simplify it though. Surface area equals side 1 rectangle plus side 2 rectangle, and then sometimes they'll be squares, plus side 3 rectangle plus, now here's the thing, if you have two triangles with the same measure, and the formula for a triangle is 1/2 base times height, what's 1/2 times 2? 1. So that means plus the base and height of the triangle measures, because you don't have to write 2 times 1/2. We just simplified our work. All right. So let's go into solving this one. So that means side 1 is 20 plus side 2 is 16 plus side 3 down here, let's move them up, is 12 plus, and I'm going to write it out, the base and the height. The base was 3 times the height of 4 plus 3 times 4, which we know is 12, so I'm going to bring that down. 20 plus 16 plus 12 plus 12. Add those up, and what do you get for surface area? 20 plus 16 plus 12 plus 12. You are correct, it is 60. And so it is 60 units squared for surface area. Okay, now volume's kind of cool. I want to talk about volume because the rules for volume of any prism is the area of the base times the height, but it's area of the capital B. So volume equals a capital B, that's important, times a lowercase h. All right? Let me talk about what that means. That means in parentheses, area of base times the height of the shape. Well, the way to know that is, let's go back over here. Here's our triangle, and if I turn it on its side to get it to be a prism, all right, there we go. We do the area of the triangle times the height. Well, the height is whatever this side is here. Look at it, guys, and tell me, what is the measure of that side? Right here. 4. All right, so it's the area of the triangle times 4. So in this case, equals 1/2 times base times height times the height of the whole thing. So that height there is different than this height, which is just the height of the flat side triangle. So 1/2 times 3 times 4, we talked about that before, times the height of the whole thing was 4. All right? So make sure you have that written down, solve it. 4 times 4 is 16, half of that is 8 times 3. And the final answer is, who has it? Go ahead, Shelby. You are correct. 24 units cubed.